Attention, all players of Club Penguin / fans of Malatka. You get a free chance to meet Malatka / Zoodiatic. That's ZOODIADIC. What server? Well, the server will be not that. It will be Bigfoot. Yes, user Bigfoot, Penguin, Zoodiatic, having a halfway there out of school party, only at 12, by Friday. Well, and what kind of room, you ask? The town. You don't want to miss it. And this is your only chance until summer that you get to meet Zoodiatic again. Well, I hope you enjoy it. Bye.